Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Today we've got a busy day in the kitchen, making a bit of a mess. We're going to make some pasta salads and hopefully some high protein salads. Better snacks, better options, filling. I've got a dozen eggs here. I'm going to boil them up. We're going to use this new tool I got to hopefully get these in that water easily without breaking them. We're going to carefully get these in there. Boil them for 15 minutes exactly and put them into nice cold ice water. This is working so well. Use the right utensils and you got things happening right, y'all. Who would have known? Who would have thought? Alrighty, I'm gonna cook these for 15 minutes. Alright y'all, amongst my dishes I've got the eggs here. It's been 5 minutes or so. I just give them a couple cracks down the middle. Look at this. They just come right off. My husband's dad taught him this. Perfect. Basically perfect every time. Look at that. Beautiful. Then I just like to rinse off the egg if it has shells, or just in case it does. And I'll leave some in the shells for prep or snack if I have extra, and we'll use these for recipes. What are your favorite pasta salads or high protein, just nice salads to have? Potato salad's really good. It's just a lot of starch, y'all. Trying to eat a little better. If I have better options, I'll hopefully eat them. Oh my, this one's not great, but I also peeled it or put a lot of pressure on it in weird places, so it didn't want to do its job. Not great, but it's okay. Good enough. That's 6 peeled and 6 left. I'll stick with those for now and we'll continue. I'm boiling some water for pasta to cook. Alright y'all, we're going to start off with a little bit of these twisters. I don't have many left. Rotini number 81, I don't know. These only need a boil for 7 to 8 minutes. I'm going to do like 5 and check on them. I only have a couple cups, maybe 2. I already put a little salt. Give them a little stir and put a timer for 5 minutes. Alright y'all, most of our stuff is ready to go. I have some pesto in the fridge, so I've got about 2 or 3 cups of this rotini pasta, I believe. It's chilled now that I have everything ready. We're gonna put some of this delicious pesto in there. We're gonna try just this pesto at first. If we want to add something like chicken or anything else, we'll give it a try. Parmesan might be good. Chicken, salt, pepper, onion, garlic. These are cold pasta salads. These look beautiful. Some of them have a little more pesto in them than others. I'm gonna give one a try. It's actually pretty good. Could use a little salt. Maybe some pepper. My husband probably will eat this one, so we will see what he thinks. Alright y'all, we're gonna add a little more pesto. This stuff is so good. This brand, delicious. Could add a little olive oil to stretch your sauce a little too, or help it coat a little better. Maybe vinegar, I'm not sure. Just try it. It's really good. Just a little drizzle of olive oil, just to get them a little coated and wet. Although this olive oil tastes a little funny, so hopefully that didn't just ruin it. Still tastes really good. Oh yeah. Now you get that salty garlic, cheese, really good. A very simple, quick and easy pasta salad. Delicious. Bon appetit. Y'all, for this next one, we're just gonna make a very simple, classic. I've never made a chicken salad before, but I have made tuna salad. Just tuna, mayo, mustard, relish, salt, pepper. So good, so easy. Little mayo, mustard, salt, ton of black pepper. Now, just going to chop up some of these hard-boiled eggs. Beautiful. Wow, that yolk is tiny. Weird. What a weird egg. I think I usually do 3 cuts on one side and 4 on the other, and then just cube it as little as I can get them. Cut up this wonky one. Big yolk in comparison. It's a lot of egg. Alright, I'm gonna mix this up. Oh, forgot relish. This is gonna be like a dill pickle chicken salad. I love relish. Dill pickles. I don't like the sweet or the butter or many like that. I don't like them. Very simple, quick and easy, delicious sides or higher protein meals. Okay, let's add some egg. Maybe 1 or 2's worth or so. Maybe a cup of chicken. I just boiled this with onion, garlic, salt and pepper. This tiny bowl is too small. Might add the rest of that egg. I should have tried Greek yogurt too. I'm just probably a little nervous. Let's add some more egg. Probably the rest, yeah. Can even add a little pasta to it, but I don't think I will. Beautiful. I cooked this chicken in the Instant Pot and it was so quick and easy and it shredded like a dream. I like that. It's really good. It's like egg salad, but with a little extra protein. I have more chicken here. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I just boiled up a ton of chicken. Meal prep, that looks really good. Tastes like egg salad, perfect for a sandwich, just with shredded chicken. You don't really notice the chicken because it's shredded. Perfect. Oh yeah, that's really good right there. That'd be wonderful with pasta too, but I'm gonna try to keep some of it low carb. Could eat it on a piece of sourdough. Perfect lunch for tomorrow. Top it with a little pepper. Delicious. Chicken egg salad. Bon appetit. Alright y'all, I cut up the rest of the eggs, -1, that were in there. Going to add some mayo, yellow mustard, dill relish, mostly juice, salt, pepper. I need to open this tuna. This tuna isn't my favorite, but it's what we have. It's the Starkist Chunk Light tuna in water. Just gonna add that in. I might need another can. I'm gonna mix this up and see what we're looking like. Probably add a little cayenne pepper, just a pinch. That should be enough. I don't think I was supposed to add that cayenne, so hopefully it's good. And I'm supposed to add black olives. I don't know if I will. Supposed to make this with bow ties, and it's so delicious. Super budget friendly with these salads. And these noodles will soak up some of the dressing as it sits, and it's so good the next day. This actually looks really good, and these are probably the best cooked bow ties I've made yet. Oh yeah, it's really good. The olives bring a nutty flavor. It's very different. It's good. Delicious. This pasta salad is great with or without the olives. Olives are kind of expensive right now, so it's pretty budget friendly. These are 3 incredibly easy and delicious salads. A egg chicken salad, tuna pasta salad, and a pesto pasta salad. Absolutely incredible. I've got lunch prep, protein, and so many delicious things to eat here. These will be great for a very busy day, a hot and humid day. Throw it next to a burger, a sandwich, make this into a sandwich. So good, y'all. If you and your family make these, let me know. If you give these a try, let me know what you think. We appreciate y'all for watching and hope you enjoyed this nice salad prep. Bon appetit! We appreciate y'all for watching and hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider subscribing, giving this video a like, and letting us know what you think. Peace out, y'all.